Hey everyone, Chris, the Thrift Hustler. Today we're going to show you the top 5 things found dumpster diving. You do not want to miss this. Stay tuned. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to another episode of Top 5. Really quick, definitely go down there and click the like button, subscribe, click the bell for notifications. That definitely helps out the channel, and we really appreciate that. Now, dumpster diving is all the rage of A-list celebrities like Madonna, Beyonce, and Tahakashiki Mushroom 69, allegedly. Dumpster diving parties are popping up all over the world. This is an amazing hobby. Everyone's getting into it, and we're going to show you the top 5 things found in dumpsters. Number 1, trash. I know it's hard to believe with all the gold bullion and silver and all the jewels and diamonds that are just flowing out of dumpsters, but trash is the number 1 thing you're going to find, believe it or not, in a dumpster. Numero dos. More trash. I know it's hard to believe, but a lot of places have 2 dumpsters, which means twice as much trash. Double your trash, double your cash. Knowledge. By the way, you can check out my new ebook, 101 Ways to Find Trash in Dumpsters. There's so much knowledge in there. It's about 2.5 pages, jam-packed of knowledge, and it's so knowledgeable. There's going to be a link below. And by the way, if you know how to read, please click the like button. Number 3, the magic number. Garbage. I know what you're thinking. Isn't garbage trash? Well, it's actually not. It's high-class trash. It's like the Louis Vuitton of trash. So garbage, you have to look out for garbage. It's mixed in the trash. You have to take your jeweler's loop and your magnet, and you have to really search for the garbage, but it's usually in the bottom of the trash. Number 4. Dead bodies. Number 5. YouTube views and subscribers. You can literally find YouTube subscribers and views in the trash cans by making dumpster diving videos. It's actually incredible the amount of YouTube videos and channels that are built around dumpster diving. On a serious note, guys, there's plenty of YouTube channels built around dumpster diving. I'm going to leave a link below to some of my favorites. Just when you're going out there, be careful. If you're going to be doing that, wear some gloves, some heavy shoes, and just to make sure that you don't get in trouble by trespassing or going on private property. Also, you might run into people like Oscar the Grouch, who might take a little bit of an issue taking his trash. So once again, I'm Chris, the Thrift Hustler. I really appreciate you guys' support. Click the like, leave a comment below what your favorite one is. I like number 4. See you next time.
What you know about rocking the wolf on your noggin? What you knowin' about wearing a bird box skin? I'm digging, I'm searching right through that luggage. One man's trash, that's another man's. Your granddad for the late night rap. Now I'm up in her. I'm in the where you can find me in the. I'm not searching in the section.